Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Congratulations on the purchase of your MS909 diagnostic tablet. I'm sure you're excited and want to perform your first scan, but I want to share a few quick tips with you to make sure your experience is world-class. First, let's talk about some best practices for battery management. The MS909 is shipping with some juice in it, so you can start using it right off the bat. We do recommend waiting until the battery is depleted before charging and avoid keeping it constantly connected to power. Connecting it directly to the wall before leaving each night is a good habit to develop. Inside the hard case, you will find your MS909, your MaxiFlash VCI, and of course, various cables needed to make your connections. Your first step should be connection to a Wi-Fi network, which you find in Settings, System Settings, then Wi-Fi. Go ahead and toggle on your Wi-Fi. Now select your network and enter your credentials to join. Once you are on Wi-Fi, you will need to register your new tool. This can be done quickly and easily right on the tablet, or if you prefer, at pro.autel.com. If you already have an Autel account, just sign in with your email and your password. For first-time Autel buyers, click on the Create Autel ID button on the bottom. Now, enter your email address. Then click Acquire the verification code. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Next, choose your password. Please note, it must consist of 8 digits and 1 letter. Now, enter the verification code that you received in the email. Now, hit Sign Up. A product registration screen will display. Click Register. The next screen will automatically input the serial number and the password of the device. Hit Register again. You will receive a confirmation that your device is now successfully registered. Next, and this is perhaps the most important step, you need to ensure that your software is up to date. Click the Update button. After the list compiles, start at the top with any system updates, and then proceed to any of the main brands that you service. Once this is done, click on VCI on the bottom, connect to your MaxiFlash VCI. Once connected, check to see if there are any updates available for your VCI. Click the Update Now button. Please note, do not leave this screen until the updates are finished. At this point, you can add your email and start navigating around the MaxiSYS suite. If you need further help navigating or setting up your email, be sure to check the description for links to our video library as well as a full manual in searchable PDF format. We thank you for joining the Autel family and welcome you to visit us at autel.com for our full line of